In this video, we'll cover how to fix the MC011 account restriction on eBay. So once you receive that error, what you need to know is that eBay will immediately send you an email. However, they will also send you a message on the eBay platform to your account. So what you want to do to find that is go to the My eBay option on the top right, and then you want to go all the way down till you see messages. And you should find a message from eBay inside your inbox here. And there's nothing else that you have to do other than following the exact steps from eBay in that message. They are going to want documentation, so make sure you have all your documents that they ask you for. Whatever they ask you for, make sure to send it to them. And that really is the gist of it, guys. There's nothing special, some secret trick. All you have to do is respond to eBay with whatever documents, screenshots, whatever that they request from you in this message. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.